Hi there. In this video, we'll walk through how to connect your Shopify store to Craftybase and turn on Stock Push. This feature keeps your Shopify listings perfectly in sync with your Craftybase inventory, so every time you make something, sell something, or adjust your stock, your store always shows the right numbers. By enabling Stock Push on your Shopify integration, Craftybase helps you keep full control of your store's inventory. You can review and update your Shopify stock numbers directly from Craftybase. Choose exactly when to send those updates, and keep a complete record of every push for easy tracking and troubleshooting. To get started, go to the Overview page and select Stock Push from the menu. You'll see a list of available integrations you can set up. Find your Shopify store and either toggle on the Stock Push column or select Configure. Craftybase will then show you the requirements needed to enable this feature. Next, choose the location Craftybase should use to update your stock levels from the drop-down menu. Then confirm your selection. To finish, toggle on the Stock Push option and save your settings. Once it's enabled, Stock Push is active and ready to create draft updates anytime your inventory changes. Let us show you how it works. Imagine you have zero stock for a product both in Craftybase and your Shopify store. First, we'll create a manufacturer for this product in Craftybase. Head to the Manufacturers tab and click Add Manufacturer. Once you are ready, you can save the manufacturer. As soon as the manufacturer is completed, your stock in Craftybase increases. This change automatically creates a draft push. To check on this, please head over to the Stock Push tab and you'll see a new draft push ready for review. When you're happy with the numbers, just click Push. Craftybase updates your Shopify stock automatically. Return to your store to confirm the changes. Refreshing your page will show you that both stock levels are matching. With Stock Push, you can be confident that your Shopify inventory always matches what's in Craftybase. It's designed to save you time and prevent overselling, especially handy if you manage multiple products or locations. And every push is logged, so you can see exactly when changes were made and keep a full history for reference. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now set up and ready for Stock Push. From now on, Craftybase will handle the syncing for you, so you can spend less time updating numbers and more time making things. If you'd like to learn more, check out our full help article or reach out anytime at support@craftybase.com.